Hello YouTube. Today I'm excited because R2D V56 is out and new crossbow is here, and I'm really excited. And yeah, so anyway, let's start off with we're gonna do the crossbow last. This is secondary. So now the new cluster nade, it looks pretty OP. I haven't used it yet, but I'm gonna use it soon. And I don't care about this. It's crap. I want the crossbow, of course. So no one really cares about a new grenade. I want my crossbow. That's pretty much it. Except the new maps and the new stalker. And alright guys, I'm really excited to get my crossbow. I'm so excited, guys. Let's do it. 475 Robux. I don't place. I don't have that place. Why would you do this to me? I was. Why would? Please. Why would you? Come on, please.